A family affair for hair. Out of the hundreds of procedures he performs each year, the last thing hair transplant surgeon Dr. Robert Doran expected to do was perform surgery on his father. Robert M. Doran Sr. had been losing his hair for many years, but few people knew how much it bothered him. Then, one day at a family function, the elder Doran casually mentioned to his son that he was considering treatment. It surprised me because my father knew what type of work I do and he never said anything, Doran said. Caught unawares, Doran was nevertheless delighted that his father was taking matters into his own hands. My father's hair loss finally reached a point where most of the hair in the frontal area had fallen out. He said. So Doran decided to come up with a surprise of his own. Given that it was a week before my dad's birthday, I figured it was a great opportunity to give him a gift that he would enjoy for the rest of his life. He said. I scheduled a procedure for my father for the very next week. On the day of the surgery, the two discussed the details of the procedure and what to expect. I could feel and see my dad's excitement grow as things took shape, Doran said. He realized just how much hair he had lost over the years and how much I would be able to put back in just one procedure. The procedure required 1,571 hair transplant grafts and took about 7 hours. 3 weeks later, there are no telltale signs of the hair transplant. He should begin enjoying his new look in 3 to 6 months. Working on my dad was something extra special for me, Doran said. It was an honor to be able to do something that would have a lasting, positive impact on his life. It is very similar to the way his actions and support have shaped my life. Make sure you share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.